In this video, we listed the 5 best foldable GPS drone on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. S188 GPS Rc Drone. The S188 is a versatile and compact drone designed for both beginners and enthusiasts, featuring an array of advanced specifications. Weighing only 202 grams and capable of a takeoff weight of 0.2 kilograms, this drone has a flight time ranging from 10 to 22 minutes, depending on usage conditions. It is equipped with a high-definition dual camera that offers 720p resolution and a 180 degrees adjustable lens, suitable for aerial photography and videography up to 4K UHD quality. The S188 boasts GPS positioning, obstacle avoidance, and several intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me and One Key Return, enhancing ease of use. With a remote control distance of up to 2,000 meters, the drone incorporates a 6-axis gyroscope for enhanced stability during maneuvers. Charging the drone takes about 60 to 80 minutes using a USB cable, and it comes with features like Wi-Fi connectivity for real-time image transmission and control via mobile app or remote control. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, it also includes an array of safety features like automatic return under low power and out-of-control situations, making it a practical choice for users aged 14 and up. Number 2. Xiaomi V168 Drone. The V168 drone is a professional-grade quadcopter designed for aerial photography and videography with remarkable features. Weighing only 600 grams and capable of withstanding wind speeds below 10 km per hour, it boasts a maximum takeoff weight of less than 1 kilogram. The drone is equipped with a powerful 8K HD camera and offers various video resolution options, including 4K and 6K, all while recording in the MP4 format. Operable via a remote control or an app, it utilizes a 5 GHz frequency for a maximum control distance of 3,000 meters. With a flight time of 22 to 25 minutes, this drone features GPS positioning for precise navigation and altitude hold for stable flight. Additional capabilities include one-touch takeoff and landing, waypoint flight mode, and obstacle avoidance, making it user-friendly and versatile for capturing stunning aerial footage. The package includes a remote transmitter, rechargeable battery, spare parts, and user manuals, ensuring an all-inclusive experience for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 3. S136 GPS Drone. The S136 Max GPS drone is a highly advanced, foldable quadcopter designed for outdoor aerial photography, equipped with a dual 4K HD camera and a brushless motor. Weighing 350 g and capable of a flight time between 10 to 20 minutes, this drone features a robust suite of technological capabilities, including GPS positioning, obstacle avoidance, and optical flow positioning for enhanced stability and precision during flight. The infrared obstacle avoidance system of the standard model is upgraded in the Max version to a sophisticated 360 degrees laser detection system, allowing for real-time navigation and improved safety. Users can control the drone from a distance of up to 3,000 meters while enjoying features such as one-button return, intelligent follow, and real-time video transmission via 5G Wi-Fi. Constructed from durable materials like resin and carbon fiber, this ready-to-fly drone supports various camera resolutions and is recommended for ages 14 and up. The package includes essential accessories such as batteries, a remote controller, and an operating manual, making it an appealing option for both beginner and experienced drone enthusiasts. Number 4. Potensic 4K Camera Drone. The Potensic Atom drone is a lightweight, beginner-friendly aerial photography device designed for both indoor and outdoor use, weighing under 249 g. It features a robust 3-axis gimbal and captures stunning 4K UHD video at 30 frames per second, along with 12 MP photos. Equipped with a durable lithium battery, the drone boasts a flight time of 20 to 30 minutes per battery and a remote control range of up to 6 kilometers, with an impressive resistance to wind levels rated at 5. The Atom model supports advanced features like GPS, visual tracking, and waypoint navigation, making it easy for new users to operate. This ready-to-go drone package includes the unit itself, a camera, batteries, a remote controller, and operating instructions, all housed in an original box. With a warranty of 1 year and continuous firmware updates, the Atom is a reliable choice for aspiring drone enthusiasts aged 14 and older. Number 5. FIMI MINI 3 Drone. The FIMI MINI 3 is a cutting-edge camera drone designed for versatile aerial photography and video recording, featuring remarkable specifications that cater to both enthusiasts and professionals. Weighing just 249 grams, it boasts a 4K video recording capability at 60 frames per second, powered by a 48MP Sony half-inch CMOS sensor that excels in various lighting conditions thanks to its AI Super Night video technology. The drone is stabilized by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, ensuring smooth footage even in strong winds, while its advanced SoLink HD digital transmission system allows for real-time video streaming up to 9 kilometers, with minimal latency. Offering strong wind resistance and an ultralight design, it is highly portable and easy to use without the need for training or permits in many regions. The Mini 3 is equipped with a removable USB-C rechargeable battery for quick charging and supports multiple languages via its app, making it a user-friendly choice for aerial enthusiasts.